See, there we go. See, got a little ember in there. Now we're gonna wrap that in a cotton ball. There we go. There we go. Starting to catch. Oh, gonna warm my fingers up. That's a decent pile of wood. That's a good start. The only thing to sleep in I brought was this wool blanket, but honestly I'm going to use it as a pillow. I'm going to put my hip bone right on the balaclava to try to keep from hurting my hip in the middle of the night. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to try to get some sleep. I'm pretty tired.